Good morning class. Welcome to your e-learning class. And today I am going to solve question based on subtractions of decimal. So let's start. Rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. At first we decide which one is the greater and says from means we have to subtract 18.25 from 20.75. 20.75 is the larger value in comparison to 18.25. So in the subtraction process we always use fraction in the like fraction means लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट साइड के बराबर इक्वल करेंगे. जितने डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड में है उतने डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड में होने चाहिए दोनों के, और जितने डिजिट राइट साइड में है पॉइंट के राइट साइड जितने डिजिट है उतने पॉइंट के राइट साइड दोनों के डिजिट होने चाहिए. सो राइट ऑन इट रुपीज 20.75 माइनस 18.25. नाउ use simple subtraction. 0 that is 5 point at the place of point, and now subtract 8 from 0, take carry from 2, this is 10, 10 minus 8 is equals to 2, or this is 0. What answer we get? Rupees 2.50. Now next question is 202.54 meters from 250 meters. At first, make it symmetrical, means like fraction 0, 0 meters, and now minus 202.54 meters. Let's start the subtraction process. Take carry. 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And now 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. This one is 4, and our answer is 47.46 meters. Now students, let us solve more question based on decimal subtraction, that is find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. At first we have to write down it the up and down mode. In the 9.756 and 6.28 0, that is 6, and take carry from 10, 15 minus 8, that is 7, 6 is here, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, and 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. It's very simple to solve this question. As it is, do the same work. 21.05 minus 15.27. 15.27. Take carry. 10. 15 minus 7. That is 8. 9 is here. 9 minus 2 is 7. And again 10. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And this is 0. 5.78. Now students, come and solve some word problems. In the word problem, Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? This is a subtraction problem. So, Raju gave money to the shopkeeper. It equals to how much? That is rupees 50. 50.00. This is for rupees and this is for paise. And cost of book is equals to rupees 35.65. 35.65. तो जितने रुपीज की उसने बुक ली उससे ज्यादा पैसे उसने शॉपकीपर को दिया, तो शॉपकीपर जाहिर सी बात है पैसे को लौटाएगा. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्टेड 5, 9 minus 6 equals to 3, and here 9 is also 9 minus 5 equals to 4, and 4 minus 3 equals to 1. That is 14.35 means money get back money, hence money get back from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is equals to rupees 14.35 means 14 rupees 35 paise. Now students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.